Hi, my name is William. I am a hunter. I love the outdoors. The sun is shining bright. I hear the birds singing. The forest is peaceful. I walk quietly on the path. I look for signs of animals. The leaves rustle in the wind. I carry my bow and arrows. I sit still and wait. Patience is key in hunting. I watch the trees for movement. The thrill of the hunt is exciting. I respect the animals I hunt. Nature is a beautiful place. I enjoy being in the fresh air. The morning mist is calming. I listen to the sounds around me. I take only what I need. The forest is my home. I feel connected to nature. I always prepare for my hunt. Each hunt is a new adventure. I share my stories with friends. I practice my aim every day. The stars shine bright at night. I enjoy the thrill of the chase. I breathe in the fresh air. The sound of leaves crunching is comforting. I spot tracks on the ground. I climb a hill to get a better view. I respect the balance of nature. I carry a small backpack with snacks. The sunrise is my favorite time. I love the smell of the forest. I feel safe in the woods. I often bring my dog with me. I enjoy watching wildlife. I take notes in my journal. I practice safety when hunting. The river flows gently nearby. I always wear bright colors for safety. I tell stories by the campfire. I feel peace in the wilderness. I study animal behavior. I find joy in the simple moments. I enjoy fishing as well. I like to camp under the stars. I help preserve the environment. Each animal has its own story. I cherish my time in nature. I wake up with the sun. The forest is my playground. I love exploring new trails. The wind whispers through the trees. I enjoy the challenge of hunting. I feel alive in nature. I often go camping with friends. The stars guide my way at night. I watch for movement in the bushes. I respect every creature I encounter. I learn something new every time I go out. I bring my camera to capture moments. The sound of a flowing stream is soothing. I enjoy cooking my catch over a fire. The thrill of discovery excites me. I often practice in the backyard. I love the feel of the bow in my hands. The forest teaches me patience. I find peace in the quiet of the woods. I enjoy sharing my experiences with others. I often sketch what I see in nature. I love the colors of autumn leaves. I watch the sunrise from my favorite spot. I keep a journal of my adventures. I enjoy the fresh smell after the rain. I find joy in helping others learn to hunt. The forest is full of surprises. I respect the rules of hunting season. I take time to enjoy the little things. I feel grateful for every moment spent outdoors. I love to tell tales of my adventures. I often invite friends to join me. I believe in leaving no trace behind. I study maps to find the best locations. I enjoy the sound of nature waking up. I feel a bond with the land. I am mindful of my surroundings. I cherish the memories I create in the wild. I love to see animals in their natural habitat. I often watch the sunset from the hills. I take my time to enjoy the scenery. I feel a sense of freedom in the open air. I always pack enough food and water. I love the camaraderie of hunting with friends. I appreciate the beauty of every season. I often go for long hikes to explore. I listen closely for animal calls. I admire the skill of seasoned hunters. I believe in hunting responsibly. I enjoy the quiet moments of reflection. I feel connected to my ancestors through hunting. I love the sound of a crackling fire. I take pride in my skills. I often share my catch with friends and family. I believe every hunter has a unique story.